जो
Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Way to Mind Happiness. Today's topic is, or today's technique is movies, the imaginative movies to stabilize your mind. Let's do it. Your mind makes movies with you, it bothers you, we will stabilize the mind. There are two things, mind and brain. Mind always has supremacy over the brain. If your mind is happy, you will feel much happier. Every moment of your life becomes so blissful, you feel so spiritual, you feel like everything is blossomed with the blossomed flower on the flowering trees, and you feel like it's a paradise. When you have the mood swings, or you have some sort of anxiety, or suddenly a negative thought has come to your mind, you feel like, oh, I am feeling so, it disturbs you, it bothers you. Let's do it. So what is the technique? Imaginative movies. I give you an example. Suppose after my routine work, I am sitting and suddenly some sort of thought or negative thought has come to my mind, it's bothering me. At that time, make a movie that you are with your wife in your favorite English village cafe. You are having a muffin or a pastry with your favorite mug of coffee, and you are enjoying the atmosphere. There is a light music. You can imagine, my friend. So that negative thought will run away and your new movie will run in the mind. And that movie is sort of player. You are with your wife sitting on a very English style table, having a mug of tea, your favorite snacks, and enjoy it. Another movie could be, my father told me that in PAU their professor said that I am supposing that on an empty bowl I am eating a chicken. Though he was having a little bit of water, but he assumed that I am having a butter chicken. I am eating, I am enjoying. It's a great atmosphere. It's a Mughlai chicken. You can add more things to it. That sort of imagination gave him happiness. Your mind makes movies, always sort of movies. Could be any sort of movies. When they are negative, they bother you a lot. Suppose 10 years ago, one of your friends demoralized you that you can't do this or do that, or your relative said, oh, you are not good. He gave you some sort of shortcoming that you are not good at it, you can't do it. And now you have become something, or you have stabilized yourself, you are having a good family, your mother, your wife, your father, your children, but still that thought comes to mind that 10 or 20 years ago my friend, so it's bothering me. Why you are giving preference to them? They mean nothing to you. Your mind is very cheeky. Don't let it play games with you. Just do it. Make your own movies. Suppose if I am in anxiety, what do? Is I went to Ooty, a hill station. I imagine myself that I am in Ooty's botanical garden. I am walking there with my wife, and it's in sort of slope. The moment I go up, I feel so happy. It's like a paradise. And all the other things, all small thoughts which were bothering me, they are gone away, they run away, because I am having a positive movie, the happy movie. My mood is delighted with the happiness that I am in the lap of nature. I am there in the Ooty's botanical garden. I am there in Ooty's rose garden. I feel so happy. It depends on you. Once you start your imaginative mind to work on you, your mind will do that only. When your mind is happy, your brain will work like that only. It will become your habit to be happy. Always smile and make imaginative movies. I give you another example. I went to Goa in 2002 and I saw the beach for the first time. I took a cycle from the hotel nearby on rent. I drove on the sand, the wetland, the dry land. I saw the sea from my practical life for the first time. From the naked eye in front of me, was so good atmosphere there. I feel like that I am on the seventh cloud. And again, when I am sitting ideal or sitting layerly, I don't let any other bad thought to come to me. I think like that I am in Goa's that beach, Marina Beach, and I am on the cycle driving for 500 meters or 1 kilometer. I enjoy the atmosphere. The freshness comes. Then from there I go to some cafe which I visited in 2002 and again in 2017 with my family. I feel like I'm in that cafe. We are eating snacks. We are on the beach side. We are enjoying the church. There are so many things, friends, you can cherish about. You can think in your own way, but positive imagination. Make own imaginative movies. You will feel that nothing can bother you. Nothing can come to your mind. Those negative things will run away. When there is a light, darkness cannot come. Light is of your positive imagination, your positive movies, and you will feel like you are a great man living this wonderful life. Life is not all about money, that you are having lots of money and you tend to be happy. I have seen people, millionaires and billionaires, they have everything in life, still they are disturbed, still seeking for the happiness, still feeling to cherish the moments. It's not that. Happiness is always of mind, friends. You tend to be happy from your inner soul. So technique is just imagine. Imagine, 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 for the God's sake. Take it to a constructive side. You create something. Be a creative man. Be a creative woman. You think that you are in sort of road trip to Leh Ladakh. You are having your favorite SUV. You are going along the way. There are lakes on the way, the mountains, greenery, roadside tea stalls. You enjoy that atmosphere. Friends, these are the illustrations. You think about your own movies, imaginative movies. Don't bother about anyone. That few days ago or a few years ago this happened, or after from now 10 years after now or 20 years after now that will happen, that will happen. No, that is all not of your material. Your life is a great celebration and you use this technique. Make your mind to make constructive movies, positive movies, happy movies. You mold your movies in your own way. Nothing can bother you. This is a great therapy. I think this helped you a lot. Do subscribe my channel, The Way to Mind Happiness, and do write in the review box about the experience you watched about in this video. Thank you so much. I am your friend Man Kuldeep. I will teach you the choicest techniques which people have been using from last 200 years. Let's enjoy. Be your own man. Be a creative person. Now imagine positive movies and enjoy. Thanks. Bye.